Hey, level B. Hey, virtual students. So, this week is just a continuation of last week. We are still going over our irregular verbs. We're memorizing them because it's good for you to know. Um, so, but today, actually, there is one more thing that I want you to learn. We're talking about the words used to, USEDTO, and these are good to know. If you can't remember a verb in the past, you can use used to. Okay, so we're gonna go over that a little bit. Yeah, and let's do that. All right, so this is the first page of your packet this week, and this is how you write used to, but you're gonna say it with a T, so used to. And honestly, we usually say used to. Like, let's say how would you say it? Used to. Instead of saying the two separately, we would say used to. So anyway, here's some examples. Okay, so childhood memories. When I was younger, I used to cry a lot. I used to play hopscotch, and I used to eat a lot of chocolate ice cream. I used to eat a lot of chocolate ice cream. Okay, so that's one example. When I was younger, I used to play. So this is like past tense. It's something that happened in the past and doesn't happen now. Okay, so like, when I was younger, I used to play with my toys. Well, I'm an adult now. I don't play with my toys today. But when I was younger, I used to play with my toys. So instead of saying I played with my toys, which is also correct, the ED, I played with my toys, you can say I used to play with my toys. Okay? So, I used to play with a tricycle, and I used to draw nice pictures. So you can see the second verb is in the positive, right? It's like an infinitive. I used to draw. I used to play. Okay? All right, so we're going to practice rewriting these sentences. Hey! Sorry. Okay, so let's do this first sentence. Okay, so last year, oops, let me get it so you can see it. I don't want to show you the answer. Okay, last year I lived in Paris, but now I live in Rome. Okay, so last year I lived. So this is past tense. This is a good sentence. You can say this. You can also say, last year I used to live in Paris, but now I live in Rome. I used to live in Paris, but now I live in Rome. Okay, so we're just changing lived to used to live. That means I did it in the past. I don't do it now. Okay. He had a lot of money, but now he doesn't. Okay. He had a lot of money, but now he doesn't. So had is in the past. So when we change it, we're going to have to change it to have. Okay. So he used to have a lot of money. Okay. He used to have a lot of money, but now he doesn't. So that's how we would write that, okay? Let's see. So this one, Peter stopped playing the guitar 2 years ago. Now he plays the violin. All right, this one would be, I'm going to change colors real quick. Peter used to play the guitar 2 years ago, but now he plays the violin. Okay, so he used to play. So this is Peter stopped playing. Actually, we'll leave out this 2 years ago. Peter used to play the guitar, but now he plays the violin. Okay? He went to the movie theater, but now he doesn't. He used to go to the movie theater. Go is the past of, or went is the past of go. So when we change it, we have to say he used to go to the movie theater. Okay? So I will send you the answers for the rest of these. Real quickly, I wanted to show you positive, negative, and question. Okay. So this is positive, right? I used to get good sleep before I had children, right? All of us say yes, yes, yes. Okay. The negative, I didn't used to get good sleep. So up here, we need the ED to make it in the past, right? The ED makes it past. In the negative, when we use didn't, did makes it past. So use is just going to be the naked infinitive. No, naked something. Anyway, it doesn't have an ending, okay? So I didn't use to get good sleep. She didn't used to get good sleep. We didn't used to get good sleep. Okay? And then in the question, so it's the same. We're using did, which tells us we're talking about the past. So if someone asks you a question, did, that means they're asking about the past. Did you used to get good sleep? Used to get good sleep. And honestly, okay, now that I'm saying it, used to, right? I used to get good sleep. I didn't used to get good sleep. You honestly say it the same, but when you write it, there's no D on the negative or the question. Okay? So let me know if you have questions about that. And then I'm just going to go over the second. So this is that irregular verb list. We did the first column last week, and now we're doing the second column, which starts with give and gave. Okay? So give, and remember, this is present, the base form, and this is past. Okay? So give, gave, give, gave. Go, went. Go, went. Grow, grew. Grow, grew. Have, had. Have, had. Hear, heard. Hear, heard. Hide, hid. Hide, hid. Hit, hit. Hit, hit. It's the same. Hold, held. Hold, held. Keep, kept. Keep, kept. All right, so lay, this one, lay and lie, I need to look up what the difference between those is, so I'm not going to do those two right now. I'll do them on Wednesday. So just forget about them for the moment, okay? Lead, led. Lead, led. Leave, left. Leave, left. So just like your left hand. Let. Okay? Let it go, let it go. Okay. Lose, lost. Lose, lost. Make, made. Make, made. Meet, met. Meet, met. Pay, paid. Pay, paid. Put, put. Put, put. Read, read. Oh, this is our favorite, right? Okay, so read in the present, and you look at this and you're like, okay, that's read. No, in the past we say read. So usually I read before bed. That's present, right? Usually I read before bed. Last night I read 1 hour. Okay? So past tense of read is read. All right? And then hurt and hurt. So I hurt my arm all the time. I hurt my arm. Okay. All right. So that is the video for today, and I hope that you are able to practice. I'm going to send you another Quizlet for column 2, and we will see you guys on Wednesday. Oh my gosh. Today's Monday. Happy Monday.